Your first assignment as a University of Alberta Faculty of Engineering student is to create your course schedule. All first-year engineering students take the same courses but are assigned a registration pattern. Each pattern then has those courses at different class times. You'll receive an email from the faculty with instructions on how to access this pattern ranking form through your Launchpad as a checklist item. Before submitting, please review the pattern selection overview document that shows the different patterns. Each pattern will have classes in gray. Those are fixed class times and cannot be changed. There are also those in color, which are variable class times, and you have the option to choose which section number from each color you would prefer. For example, in this pattern, for your Math 100 lecture, you have the option to either take Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. or Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 12 p.m. And you can see the difference in the section numbers associated with either 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. here. For Math 100 Lab, you have the choice to either take it on Monday at 1 p.m. with these section numbers or Wednesday at 1 p.m. with these section numbers. Go through the different patterns and rank them in order of preference. There is no difference in student academic success rates between the different patterns, so don't worry if you don't get your number one preference. After you have gone through all of the different patterns and submitted your pattern ranking form, you will be assigned a pattern within 5 business days. Let's say you've been assigned registration pattern 5. You would then refer to the associated document for pattern 5. You are only able to register in classes that are found in your assigned pattern document. Here, you will again see a visual representation of your schedule with gray fixed classes and colored variable classes. You must register in your courses in a specific order so as not to receive an error message, and you will find comprehensive tables of all of the class numbers associated with your pattern. Please ensure that you're referring to any notes, especially for your chemistry and your physics labs, since they are taught on alternating weeks, and you don't want to accidentally have them both on the same week or at the same time. Once you determine the class that you're wanting to take, you copy and paste the exact class number into the search bar in My Schedule Builder in BearTracks. You can refer to the My Schedule Builder video for a demo on what that might look like. And best of luck on your first university assignment, building your class schedule.